Cash App itself does not have a built-in game section, so apps that pay through Cash App usually work through separate reward or cash prize platforms. By the end, you'll know which types of Cash App payout games are worth checking, what to verify before spending time on them, and how to avoid apps that make payment claims without clear proof. The first thing to check is whether the app has a real withdrawal process. A game can show coins, points, or prizes, but that does not automatically mean you can successfully cash out. Look for clear payout rules, supported payment methods, and recent user experiences before investing your time. Number 7 is reward-based gaming apps. These apps usually focus on completing tasks, playing games, or reaching milestones. They are easier to start with because you are not always competing directly against other players. Number 6 is casual puzzle games. These games are popular because they are simple to understand, but you should check whether the reward system is based on skill competitions or just in-app points. Number 5 is trivia and challenge games. These can be interesting if you enjoy answering questions, but always review the rules before entering any paid competition. Number 4 is solitaire-style cash games. Apps like Solitaire Cash use card game formats where players compete in skill-based challenges. Check the app's current payment rules and availability in your location before playing. Number 3 is bingo-style cash games. Bingo Cash follows a similar model, where players join bingo competitions and earn rewards based on game results. Read the entry requirements carefully, because these games may have different rules from free versions. Number 2 is game reward platforms. These apps may offer rewards for trying different mobile games or completing specific goals. The key is checking whether the reward requirements are realistic for the amount of time you plan to spend. Number 1 depends on what you want. If you prefer simple tasks, reward platforms may fit better. If you enjoy competition, skill-based games like solitaire or bingo formats may be a better match. Before downloading any Cash App game, check 3 things: the withdrawal method, the latest reviews, and the terms for earning rewards. Avoid any app that asks for unnecessary personal information or promises guaranteed money. The best choice is the app with clear rules, realistic expectations, and a payout process you understand before playing. To summarize, Cash App payout games are usually separate apps. Withdrawal rules matter more than flashy rewards, and checking the details before playing saves time. Pick one app, test the payout process carefully, and subscribe for more app comparisons and fixes.